Cosby situation also, of course, represents demographic changes within the black community as well. The rise of the so-called black middle class, of a class of black people. A class now that's being represented by the likes of Henry Louis Gates of Harvard University, Cornel West, and some of the other rascals that are in the major colleges and universities across this country. Talking about media. Have you noticed the amount of media attention this gentleman is getting? How many people saw that article, that whole page in the New York Times? Yes, the graphics were interesting, with the African graphics running down the border of the page. Literally a whole page being given to this man, with the silhouette of the Star of David right in the center. Just the graphics alone indicate something there. You have to study all of these things. And the fact that the New York Times, which if you were to buy that as advertising space, I don't know, what is it now, about $15,000? Literally gave this page to Henry Louis Gates to talk about black anti-Semitism. But again, Gates is being presented across all the papers, the magazines, and so forth. And Gates reminds you of one of those Negroes, and he says it very clearly, that says, "I'm not like the rest of them." You know, those who used to be flattered when white folk would say, "If they were like you, we wouldn't mind." It's those others over there, So you think if you work hard enough to show them you're not like the rest of them over there, then you'll be accepted. And so you got a crowd now in this country that is trying to convince us very much that they're not like the rest of them.